It is a choice if you are a green trader or a red trader. Now, I know when I say that out loud, a lot of you are going to be thinking money. The first thing when I say that, in your head, you think money. You think I am trying to say on a daily basis, you will be green or red. And what I mean is green. What I really mean is green. No, I am saying consistently long-term green, a consistently profitable, a consistent 1%er, because the markets are too efficient for us to be green every day or red every day. Doesn't matter. It's too efficient. You get the point. What I'm saying is you need a level of consistency that you can't even fathom. You need to be working at this craft every single day to ensure your discipline, your mindset are at an all-time high. You need to be so disciplined, I can't even explain how disciplined you need to be. What you need to do before you tell yourself, what you need to do before every trade is tell yourself, I accept the outcome. You need to accept every outcome before you enter the trade, because what will end up happening if you don't do that is you will stay emotional, you will stay hesitant, you will hesitate on your entries, you will have worse entries. You will exit trades prematurely because you can't handle the risk that you're putting on the table. So you need to tell yourself before every trade out loud. I did it out loud, it helped me a lot. Say to yourself, I accept the outcome. No matter what, if I am green or red, I don't care, because long term, if I do things properly, if I follow my strategy the way it's laid out, if I stay consistent, I will be green. I will be a 1%er. I will be profitable. You need to really drill into your brain the idea of trading to trade well and not for the money. A lot of people trade strictly for money. And yes, we do get into trading for the money. I'm not going to sit here and deny that. But the sooner you get out of your head the need and the desire for money and having a nice penthouse in your, like a nice penthouse, a nice car, all of that, the sooner you will actually get those things. You need to be thinking in terms of trading to trade well. Consistency, consistency, consistency. I don't know how many times I got to drill that into your brain, but I'm going to continue to do it until your ears bleed and your eyes become blue and bloodshot. So, before every single trade, I want you to sit there out loud before you enter, right when you open the charts, you need to tell yourself, I am here to trade well, win or loss, I don't care. I will be a profitable trader long term if I follow these steps. Now, obviously you can shorten it. Just literally tell yourself trade to trade well, and all of what I just said will mean exactly that. Trading to trade well and not for the profits will get you out of the mindset of chasing money. A trader that a lot of you will know is, his name is shit, why am I blanking on his name? Something Char Trades. I forget his name already. Oh my God. Big Char? I think his name is Big Char Trades. Anyway, he had a problem a couple days ago with taking a loss, an unnecessary loss, that costed him around $600. And it was not on a fresh account, but he got his account back to break even from like little losses, and then from wins back up, he got his account back to like 50K or whatever the account balance is. I don't know what account he trades. He got it back to break even, bottom line. He ended up taking a loss, and what he explained that he felt was he doesn't feel the need to care about the account anymore. He doesn't feel the need to protect it, to try to get payouts. He just didn't care for it anymore. And I experienced that in the past. And what that is when you have profit targets on these prop firms, or even if the prop firm you're trading doesn't have them, you create in your own head a mental balance that you need to hit before you request a payout. So you'll say to yourself, I need at least $2,000 before I request a payout. What that does is it gets you in a rush and just a money outlook. You start looking for money. You start looking to make money instead of trading to trade well. So what I told the guy was, instead of having a balance, a goal in mind of trading, go there, go get to your setup, tell yourself trade to trade well, and do it every single day. And eventually, as a byproduct, you will make money. I am not saying you are not here to make money. Of course you're here to make money, but it's your approach. It's your outlook on the market. Your outlook is looking to make money. That's wrong. You need to be looking to trade well, to be a consistent trader. You need to be thinking in terms of doing things properly, and as a byproduct, you will make money. I truly believe that all of you, if you follow this advice, if you tell yourself before you execute, if you really drill it into your brain, say it out loud, that I will trade to trade well. I will not care about a green or a red on the daily P&L, because we do not care about a daily P&L. We don't even really care about weekly P&L. What truly matters is if we are green on the month and especially the year. You need to be thinking in terms of long-term, not short-term daily P&L. The sooner you do this, the quicker you will be profitable. There is a reason why it took me 5+ years to start touching success that I'm starting to touch now. It's because I didn't do things properly at first. It all stems down to psychology, to doing things properly, early. And I will always argue, yes, you will be stronger psychologically if you do things, if it takes you longer and you overcome it. Yes, you will have a better mindset. But is it really worth the risk of not doing things properly at first? No, you want to do things properly so you don't end up wanting to quit, because most traders won't last that long. Most traders won't last 5 years. Most traders won't have a trading buddy like I did, reassuring ourselves every single day that we were going to make it. You need to get rid of that risk now. You need to be doing things properly now. You don't have time to be wasting thinking maybe it will work out in the future, like it'll all work out for me, whatever people say, inshallah, it will work out for me in the future. No, you need to do the proper things now. And it all stems down to psychology. Strategy, guys, it's only 15%, 10-15% of it. The rest is psychology. Somebody else commented on the video that I made, the response to Big Chart Trades. They said, I truly think it's a strategy thing. I think he tweaked something in his strategy. And I said, I completely doubt it, because strategy, again, it's not that big of a deal. For me, it was a big deal because I didn't have a profitable strategy for that damn long. For damn near 4 years, I didn't have a profitable strategy until recently. And there's a reason that once I gained the profitable strategy that I have now, that I instantly became profitable. It's because I had my psychology under control. I was in the mud and I got out of the mud. I was always constantly working on my psychology and doing things properly at some point. There was a point where I started doing things properly, but you don't want it to take forever. That's the whole goal. You want it to be done now. You want to change your life now. Why wait? So with that, I will see you guys in the next video. I'm about to go play some pickleball. I just hit a lift. Tune into all my other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.